Hi everyone, it's Sharon Rossmark with Women in Drones. Today I'd like to share with you one of my favorite books, Drone Girls and the Air Show Adventure. The book is available in English and also in Spanish, but today I'm going to share with you the book in English. So the Drone Girls and the Air Show Adventure are about two best friends, Erica and Lindsey, who you can see here on the front cover, who both love to fly drones. In fact, they love to fly the same type of drones that I like to fly. Here are two of my favorites. I love to fly this one outdoors when I'm flying for business or even just for fun, but again, outdoors. And here's the drone that I like to fly indoors for practicing or having fun with the family. This is a great little drone for indoors. So let's get started with the Drone Girls and the Air Show Adventure. You're going to love all the exciting aircraft that they get a chance to see at the air show. The Drone Girls and the Air Show Adventure, written by Sharon Rossmark and Wendy Erikson, illustrated by Cameron Wilson. Erica, Erica! Lindsey ran outside her door, shouting her best friend's name. I'm here. What's going on? Asked Erica, sitting on the steps of her front porch, playing with her drone. There's an air show 2 towns over, and it's next weekend, Lindsey said, trying to catch her breath. Really? Erica said excitedly. Yes, I just read about it online. There will be all kinds of planes and aircraft, and there will be a drone competition at the end. Let me read it to you. Lindsey got her tablet and started reading. At the end of the air show, everyone with a drone is welcome to take part in our drone competition. The contestants will compete in teams of 2, performing different maneuvers in the air and completing different tasks. Please bring your own drone and hold on to it until after the air show. Flying drones during this show is strictly forbidden. We're definitely going, Erica said. Yes, let's ask my dad if he'll drive us, Lindsey said, and the girls ran to her house. Lindsey and Erica explained everything about the air show and the drone competition to Lindsey's dad, but he stood silent. Are you kidding? He said. Please, please, they both said, expecting he would say no. Your first competition? Forget driving. We're making signs and banners and matching outfits and everything. We're all going. He laughed. The girls told Erica's parents too, and they had the same reaction. Over the next few days, Lindsey and Erica were so excited, they practiced flying their drones every day after school. They invented their own exercises and everything. They were ready and couldn't wait for the next weekend to come. When the day came, both families headed towards the air show. There were thousands of people and hundreds of aircraft. They took off and landed a few feet from the girls. It was so exciting. They went to look around and found many pilots getting ready to do their routine. Lindsey was the most excited about the helicopters, and Erica loved the planes. The girls saw many passenger and cargo planes. They attended lectures and listened to the pilots talk about their jets. Ever since Lindsey and Erica were very little, they loved the idea of going up in the air by holding on to a bunch of balloons. When they saw the hot air balloon, they couldn't wait to find out how it worked. The operator explained hot air rises. Heating the air inside the balloon makes it become much lighter than the cooler air on the outside of the balloon. Want to see for yourself? He asked the girls. Floating up in a big balloon into the sky was very exciting. From the air, the people on the ground, including their parents, looked very small. After their hot air balloon adventure, the girls decided to check out the helicopters. Erica sat in the pilot seat and Lindsey in the co-pilot position. They put on the headphones and had fun pretending they were military helicopter pilots. At the air show, Erica and Lindsey also saw a blimp. They remembered seeing one in the sky once, but they couldn't believe how big it was up close. This next aircraft was super exciting, a real space shuttle. Erica and Lindsey looked at all the controls and tried to imagine what it would be like to be a shuttle commander. Erica daydreamed about being an astronaut someday, conducting important experiments in space. Lindsey wondered what kind of camera she needed to take pictures of the Earth from so far away. It had been a fun day of exploring the air show, but it was time for the drone competition. Erica and Lindsey had a cheering section. Their parents were proud and loud. The girls put on special goggles that helped them see where their drones are flying. They flew their drones up and down and around the hoops, and the drones made it through each gate without crashing. Erica and Lindsey finished the drone competition. All their hard work paid off with winning scores. Winning the drone competition was exciting for the girls and their parents. Erica and Lindsey can't wait for their next air show adventure. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Drone Girls and the air show adventure with Erica and Lindsey. Stay tuned for future adventures with the girls as they discover new ways of how drones are being used around the world. Bye-bye.